Hello again, my friend. Welcome back to the English Room. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. First of all, congratulations! You completed day 1 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. And today, we continue together with day 2. Now, if day 1 was about confidence, day 2 is about real English for real life. The kind of English you can actually use in the morning, at a coffee shop, with friends, at work, or during everyday conversations. So today's practice will feel more natural, more conversational, and more practical. Remember, you do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a perfect accent. You just need practice, little by little, every day. And today, we'll continue using the shadowing method. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak out loud with confidence. Ready? Let's begin. I just woke up a few minutes ago. I just woke up a few minutes ago. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I usually drink coffee in the morning. Today feels like a good day. Today feels like a good day. I need a little more sleep today. I need a little more sleep today. I'm getting ready for work right now. I'm getting ready for work right now. I like listening to English while relaxing. I like listening to English while relaxing. My mornings feel better when I practice English. My mornings feel better when I practice English. I'm trying to build good daily habits. I'm trying to build good daily habits. Small practice makes a big difference over time. Small practice makes a big difference over time. I'm proud that I showed up today. I'm proud that I showed up today. Amazing job! You already completed your first 10 sentences for day 2. And can I tell you something important? The more you speak simple English every day, the more natural it starts to feel. Fluency is not magic. It's repetition. It's consistency. It's daily practice. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's continue together. Can I get a latte, please? Can I get a latte, please? What are you doing later today? What are you doing later today? I'm meeting a friend after work. I'm meeting a friend after work. That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. I've been really busy lately. I've been really busy lately. It's nice to relax and talk together. It's nice to relax and talk together. I enjoy simple moments like this. I enjoy simple moments like this. The weather feels really nice today. The weather feels really nice today. I'm trying to spend less time on my phone. I'm trying to spend less time on my phone. Talking in English feels easier every day. Talking in English feels easier every day. Welcome back to wonderful work. You're doing so much better than you think. And remember, confidence grows when you practice out loud. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect yet, you are improving every single time you speak. So keep going. And if you're still here practicing with me right now, comment below, Day 2 completed. All right, let's continue with the final part of today's challenge. And just like that, you completed Day 2 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. I'm really proud of you. Not because you spoke perfectly, but because you practiced today. That is how fluency grows, little by little, sentence by sentence, day by day. So keep going, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Tomorrow, we'll continue with Day 3 here on the English Room. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and keep speaking English out loud. See you tomorrow. I'm becoming more confident every day. I'm becoming more confident every day. Sometimes I feel nervous when speaking English. Sometimes I feel nervous when speaking English. But I know practice will help me improve. But I know practice will help me improve. I don't need perfect English to communicate. I don't need perfect English to communicate. I'm learning step by step at my own pace. I'm learning step by step at my own pace. Every mistake teaches me something useful. Every mistake teaches me something useful. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. I feel more comfortable speaking English now. My listening skills are improving too. My listening skills are improving too. I will continue practicing tomorrow. This journey is helping me become stronger. This journey is helping me become stronger. And just like that, you completed Day 2 of your 5-day English speaking challenge. I'm really proud of you. Not because you spoke perfectly, but because you practiced today. That is how fluency grows, little by little, sentence by sentence, day by day. So keep going, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Tomorrow, we'll continue with Day 3 here on the English Room. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and keep speaking English out loud. See you tomorrow.